Finding articles in Factiva. From the Printer Library Databases page, you click on the link, and you'll see there that we've got Factiva highlighted. Click on Factiva. Factiva is a news aggregator, which means it brings articles together and allows you to search. Go up to the top, you'll see under Search, we'll put in lawn care, and then we'll click the Search button. We see a number of articles, but a lot of them are related to keeping your lawn green and so on. So we need to modify our search. Click the Modify Search button. We'll add another term to our search statement and click Search again. So we'll say lawn care and mobile, and we'll click Search. Using and means any article with both our terms. Now we can click on a title that is more relevant to what we need. Here's an article. Basic searching in Factiva is pretty simple. Let's go back to the search screen and learn more ways to limit our search to get more relevant results. So we can add to what we already have here. We can say in the last few months, or we can change to say the last 2 years as far as the coverage dates that we want to include. We can do regions of the world. We can select articles from certain geographic areas. We'll select the U.S. Now we're searching for U.S.-based lawn care and mobile stories within the last 2 years. We'll click Search. And here are our results. Using the limiters on the left, we can specify articles by items such as source, person, company, etc. We can choose articles that only deal with the mobile applications industry. Our articles only deal with lawn care apps. Click on number 3 or 4. The new My Lawn app from Scott's is a smart, simple way to get the lawn cut. Questions?